Alright guys, we're here with Carl and his mental S15. I've got to be honest, I really wanted to do a video of this at World Time Attack and I'm pumped that I'm here. So, if it's alright with you, man, I want to get not a full rundown.
A rough one.
Just so these guys know how ridiculous this car is, and we'll start from the front.
It's pretty simple, really. It's not that ridiculous.
I think it's ridiculous, man. Like, a ridiculously cool. Yeah. Yeah. And this crazy man has even said I can come for a spin after this, so yeah, let's. Alright, I don't know if I can handle it, man. Because
you'll be right. You'll be right.
Alright, so from the front, you've got what engine in there? Because I know nothing about V8.
It's essentially LS-based, tall deck, GM performance heads, and yeah, just a real big stroke.
Yep.
So obviously a lot of torque. We don't really rev this thing like majorly, you know, like 7.5 is sort of where we're at with it.
Yeah, right.
Just for reliability of the valve train.
Got to be honest, it sounds like it revs a lot more.
Yeah, no, it's just a big motor, you know. But see, it'll pull like 600 horse at the wheels at $4,000. It's got a real broad, staunch power curve.
And is that, I don't know much about it, but is that because of the cam you're using, or?
Nah, just the size of the motor, you know. Like it's a 454 cubic inch. Whoa. So it's essentially like a truck, you know. And yeah, it's got like obviously Tony Marsh built it, Marsh Motorsport. So it's got all the bells and whistles.
Dry sumps?
Oh yeah, of course. Yep, the daily engineering stuff on it. It's all motor plated, and yeah, it's everything's been done to it. There's nothing that hasn't. And then yeah, we run the Hollinger.
Yeah. So
sequential, the RD6.
Behind the engine, what clutch are you using?
So I run a Thompson 4-plate.
Oh yeah.
Because of the rear mount bow housing for the starter motor and the header clearance, we can't actually run a big diameter clutch. Or else I probably would head down the direct clutch route or something like that. So I mean, yeah, we are replacing these a lot though.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, every sort of 2 rounds new clutch. So I mean, it is maintenance. You know, yeah, it requires a bit of maintenance, but at the end of the day, it's working well. Yeah. So it's worth it for me.
Yeah.
And then yeah, rear end's all standard sort of drift stuff. You know, like winters.
Can we have a look inside?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So obviously behind the clutch, you've got a man.
RD6 Hollinger. So it's got closed loop shift cut, M130 ECU and all the Motec.
And a 152 dash,
C125, yeah.
Pedal box.
Yeah, I mean everything. It's basically a ground up build. This car was actually Graham Smyth's old car, so it was that old candy red C's Garage S15. Yeah, this is it. So
wow.
Yeah, me and him are buddies, worked together. So he was just like, oh, I don't want my car anymore. So I sort of took his shell, which saved me doing the cage and some of the work, and then we just sort of went from there, you know.
Yeah, right. And then after the Hollinger, you've got
Winters.
Oh, Winters, yep.
Yeah, Winters.
That's pretty common these days in drifting. Wow.
So it's got MCA shocks, white
serious?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Murray Coote, Australia, eh?
Yeah, Murray and Josh. And then in the rear, it's just
wow.
You know, typical stuff, radium and.
Oh yeah, same. This is getting common too because it's got the surge tank.
Common.
Surge tank, everything being built in it.
Yeah,
yeah.
It's quite small though. Like for big power stuff, I wouldn't really. I don't know, they say it makes huge power and flows it up. I don't know if I really. I'm skeptical. Put it that way.
Fair enough, man. Wow. So I don't know. I'm keen to go for a spin, man, but still. All right, let's do it. Eh? Let's go for a spin, brother. Thanks, brother.
Holy shit, bro. Hey? I'm so scared. Great. Yeah, bro. Good. Holy shit. Here we are with Carl. This is gonna be insane. Like, about as insane as Jake. Nah. You guys know that I'm not huge with V8s.
Maybe Poe.
I'm not massive with V8s, but this thing's fucking stupid.
It's not silly. It's just a truck engine.
Oh man. I'm gonna stay out of his way.
Alright, let's get Jeff.
Oh, alright, so I'll put this on here facing us. You'll see my reaction in my pants. Man, it's gonna be sick. Holy shit!
That was pretty cool.